Assalamu alaikum. Today is Iqbal's day, so we will have a look on Iqbal's life. Poet of the East. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born on 19th November 1877 in Sialkot, Punjab. He was the national poet of Pakistan. Iqbal's father, Sheikh Nur Muhammad, died in 1930, was a tailor, not formally educated but a religious man. Iqbal's mother, Imam Bibi, was a Kashmiri from Sambrial, was described as a polite and humble woman who helped the poor and her neighbors with their problems. She died on 9 November 1914 in Sialkot. Early education. Iqbal was 4 years when he was sent to a mosque to receive instruction in reading the Quran. He learned the Arabic language from his teacher, Sayyid Mir Hassan, the head of madrasa and professor of Arabic at Scotch Mission College in Sialkot, where Iqbal matriculated in 1893. Higher education. Iqbal qualified for a scholarship from Trinity College, University of the Cambridge, and obtained a Bachelor of Arts in 1906. This BA degree in London made him eligible to practice as an advocate, as it was being practiced those days. In the same year, he was called to the bar as a barrister at Lincoln's Inn. Early career. At that time, Iqbal became well known as new poet and writer. He used to go to attend the mushaira at the Haveli of Hakim Said Aminuddin in Bhati Gate area of Old Lahore city. He met many famous poets and writers and also began to write good poems which became very popular. He was guided by Mirza Dag. His famous poem Kohe Himalaya was also printed in Makhzan magazine. He wrote many famous books such as Israr-e-Khudi, Ramooz-e-Bekhudi, Payam-e-Mashriq, Zaboor-e-Ajam, Bange-Dara, Bale-Jibril, and etc. Because of his learning and knowledge, people soon began to call him Allama Iqbal, and in 1923, King George V of Britain gave him the title of Allama Sir Muhammad Iqbal. He was awarded 5 awards. Political career. He started his political career in 1926 and elected in 9 member of Punjab Legislative Council. In the year 1927, he was elected as a Secretary General of Muslim League Punjab. On 29 December 1930, Allama Iqbal addressed presidential meeting of All India Muslim League at Allahabad. His dream. In his presidential address on 30 December 1930, Iqbal outlined a vision for an independent state for Muslim-majority provinces in the northwestern India. His dream of Pakistan was of a Muslim state in which the ethical principles of Islam and the political system which derived from them were organically related. Ideology work. Allama Iqbal was a poet and a philosopher. He was always concerned about the thoughts, ideas, and conditions of Muslims everywhere, but especially Indian Muslims who were under British rule and also threatened by Brahman ruling population. Iqbal believed strongly in Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's earlier idea about two-nation theory, that Muslims and Hindus were two separate nations and should be allowed to live separately. He put forward this idea again in his famous Allahabad address of Muslim League in 1930. Titles. Upon the formation of Pakistan, he was honored as its national poet, as well as earning the titles of Mufakkir-e-Pakistan, Thinker of the Pakistan, Hakimul Ummat, Sage of the Ummah, and Shair-e-Mashriq, Poet of the East. Allama Iqbal's aim. According to Iqbal, education should be such which would bring the human being toward life of action. Development of individuality should be the objective of education. Poetry by Iqbal. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है। अपनी मिल्लत पर कयास अक़वाम मगरिब से ना कर, ख़ास है तरकीब में कौमे रसूल हाशमी। उनकी जमीयत का है मुल्को नसब पर इन्हिसार, क़ुव्वते मज़हब से मुस्तहकिम है जमीयत तेरी। दामने दी हाथ से छूटा तो जमीयत कहाँ, और जमीयत हुई रुखसत तो मिल्लत भी गई। Death. Allama Iqbal was died on 21st April 1938 in Lahore, Punjab. Tomb. The tomb of Allama Iqbal or Mazar-e-Iqbal is a mausoleum located with the Hazuri Bagh in the Pakistan city of Lahore, capital of the Punjab province. Thanks for watching.